This is Katara Village, the heart of culture in Qatar. And today we are going to explore two most beautiful mosques in the region. One covered in real gold and the other hand-painted with thousands of small tiles. First up, the Katara Mosque, or as locals call it, the Blue Mosque. One of the first things you see as you enter Katara Village and are blown away. Look at these walls. They are not just painted. They are covered in thousands of hand-painted blue and purple tiles. It was designed by a Turkish woman, the first female architect to specialize in mosques, Zeynep Fadil Olu. Inside, it's even wilder. Look at the ceiling. It feels like you're looking into a jewelry box. It's small, but super beautiful and peaceful, and is definitely worth a visit. Now, if you thought the Blue Mosque was fancy, meet the Gold Mosque. Yes, that is real gold. This mosque is covered in thousands of tiny gold leaf tiles that glow like crazy when the sun hits them. Inside, the vibe is super peaceful. It is smaller and more intimate than the first one. It is designed in an Ottoman style, which is why it looks a bit different from other buildings in Qatar. It is literally the definition of a hidden gem. So 2 mosques, 1 village, and a whole lot of gold. So if you ever visit Doha, Katara is a must-visit place. Check out my other videos from Qatar, covering the most beautiful places including stunning mosques, unreal shopping malls and mind-blowing museums. And subscribe for more upcoming videos.